Rules, Laws, and the First Week of School by Janelle Gazanis. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Rules on the Bus, page 1. Chapter 1, Rules on the Bus. Paige is excited for her first day at her new school. She waits for the bus and thinks about the new people she will meet. The bus pulls up. She sees a stop sign. Come out on the side of the bus. She also sees flashing lights. She wonders why the bus has a stop sign and flashing lights. What does Paige see on the bus? Paige gets on the bus. Paige sits down. The bus driver points to a sign above her head. "These are the bus rules," said the bus driver. "You must follow these rules while riding on the bus." Discuss what some of the rules might be. Bus rules. 1. No standing when the bus is moving. 2. Keep the aisle clear. 3. Use quiet voices. 4. Keep hands and feet to yourself. 5. No eating or drinking. 6. Follow the directions of the bus driver. 7. Quiet voices when at a railroad track. Paige reads the bus rules. The first rule is to stay in your seat. The next rule is to not walk down the aisle when the bus is moving. One bus rule says to use quiet voices when at a railroad track. Paige wonders why staying quiet at a railroad crossing is a rule. What is one of the rules on the bus sign? Paige sees another girl on the bus. She says, "Hi, I'm Paige. Do you know why we have to be quiet at a railroad track?" "I'm Tiffany. We have to be quiet so the bus driver can hear if there is a train coming. It is a rule to keep us safe," Tiffany says. Why does Paige need to be quiet when the bus goes over a railroad track? Paige tells Tiffany she has never been on a school bus before. She was surprised to see the stop sign and flashing lights as she was getting on the bus. Oh, all of the school buses have those. When drivers see a bus with the stop sign and flashing lights, they must stop. It's a law, says Tiffany. Why does the bus have a stop sign and flashing lights? Paige thanks Tiffany for helping her. She is excited for her new school. She is excited to meet new people. She knows that it is her responsibility to learn the rules at school and follow them. She wonders what other new rules and laws she will have to learn. What does it mean when something is your responsibility?